In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export vector in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the file you want to work with is loaded and visible on the canvas. Next, select the object you want to export. This can be a single layer, a group, or an entire frame, whatever best represents the element you are trying to save. You can click it directly on the canvas, or find it in the Layers panel on the left and select it there. A quick tip: double-check that you've selected only what you intend to export. Naming your layers clearly helps, and if your element includes any bitmap images, remember those parts won't scale like vectors. With the object selected, look to the right-hand sidebar, the Properties panel. Scroll to the bottom until you see the Export section. This is where you'll set up exactly how Figma will generate your file. Click the plus icon next to Export to add an export setting. Don't worry, this doesn't change your design, it simply prepares a configuration for saving. Now choose your format. Open the drop-down and select SVG if you are exporting for web, UI, or icons. SVG files are lightweight and scale perfectly without losing quality. If you are preparing something for print, documents, or sharing as a single-page vector file, pick PDF. PDF is widely accepted by printers and keeps vector shapes crisp. Keep the default options unless you have a specific requirement. Many teams use SVG for digital assets and PDF for handoffs or print-ready files. Before saving, use the preview option in the export section to confirm what will actually be exported. This quick check helps you see the bounds of your selection, so you can catch issues like unintended clipping or extra white space. If something looks off, go back to your selection, adjust it, and preview again. When everything looks right, click the Export button. If you are using the desktop app, you'll be prompted to choose a folder and name your file. In a web browser, the file will be saved automatically to your default Downloads folder. Keep your files organized with clear names so you can find them later, especially if you plan to export multiple versions. That's it. Thanks for watching.